If the Hoover gets more love than all their toys combined, this video is for you. I've spoken to so many moms whose toddlers are obsessed with the Hoover, so I wanted to show you this existed. He got this for his first Christmas, and it was the #1 toy he played with. The other toys went untouched. The top bit comes off for storage, and it came with different attachments in here. It's pretty strong. This thing has been ragged around for a year and still looks okay. The switches don't click, so he wasn't impressed, but he got over it pretty quickly. It's a button to turn it on, and it does actually hoover up, so I can't complain. Honestly, for the amount of play he's had out of it, it's been worth every penny.